are going to start with a new chapter and last chapter, that is chapter number 12, effects of atmosphere on living things. Right? Now, we have learned about atmosphere. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, what do you mean by the word atmosphere?
For surroundings.
No, that is environment. What about atmosphere?
Atmosphere is made up of various gases.
Very good. Atmosphere is made up of various gases. Made up of various what? Gases. And
We can hear sound. We can hear
gases and air. Right? Yes, this much we have learned. Right? Atmosphere means it is made up of various gases and it is surrounded by air. Right? So that is what atmosphere. But this atmosphere have different effects on living beings. Yes or no? Yes. Right? It depends on the season. Yes, it depends on the climate. It depends on the weather condition. It depends on the temperature. So we are going to learn all about this in detail, about the condition, climatic condition, about the weather condition. There is difference between climate and weather that you should know. That what is climate, what is weather, right? And temperature. Temperature is also different. Humidity. There is humidity and moisture around us.
Yes.
Right? So that also we are going to learn, and we are going to learn about different types of forest and different types of grassland. Okay, so this chapter is very interesting and very easy chapter. Now you all know that when how earth came into existence. Earth, right, was separated from the sun. It was a part of sun because of the collision. Right, because of it detached from the sun, it was like a fireball. When it detached, it was like a fireball. And slowly, because of the climatic and weather changes, slowly it cools down. Some of its parts changes into solid substance, some changes into liquid substance, and some changes into gaseous substance. The substance that were in the solid form are known as liquid form, gases, right? So in this way, the spheres, the components came into existence. Yes or no?
Yes.
So this much is clear to you. Now we are going to learn about atmosphere. As I told you, atmosphere is also, it is made up of air and it is made up of gases. Right? This much you know about atmosphere. Now it has various gases. Gases like oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, ozone gas. This goes on, right? These are the various gases that are present in our air. Right? So that is what atmosphere. Now atmospheric gases. Now in our surrounding, right, in our air, you can see this circle and the table that nitrogen is 78.3% is there present in our air. If we talk about oxygen, 20.99, right? Organ gas 0.094, very less amount. Then carbon dioxide 0.03%. If we will cut the trees and if we will cut more and more trees, this can increase and that can be harmful for human being. Right? Then other gases 0.01. So this is the chart of gases, name of the gases and their percentage. Okay, Dhwani? Right? So this is what atmospheric gases. Now atmospheric gases are made up of, sometimes in the air, fog is present. You know what is fog?
Yes.
What is fog? Right? In morning especially you will feel that you cannot see anything behind because everything is like having gases are present, right? Right? So that is what fog. Mist is present in our environment, clouds are present, right? So this all are what? Atmospheric gases, right? Now formation of atmospheric layers. Now there are different layers of it is having different layer. The layer in which we are living, right? It is known as troposphere. The layer in which we are living is known as troposphere. In troposphere, we get the, because of satellite, we get the sound. We can hear the sound, right? Here in troposphere, we can hear the sound. After that, if we'll go upward, right? Upward, then that is which sphere? Stratosphere. From that, clouds and these things are easily seen. We can easily see that. For example, if you have traveled in aeroplane, that sphere is stratosphere. Okay, stratosphere. It means it is above our level. Above our level, right? So first is what? Troposphere. Second is what? Stratosphere. Now if we talk about mesosphere, in mesosphere is above stratosphere. Uske bhi upar, right? Now here the air that is present is very thin. The gases that is present is very, the layer of air is very thin. Why? Because it is a cold, temperature is very cold there, right? So that is why the layer of air is very thin. While last is thermosphere. In that the air is also, means it's present in very less quantity, very less quantity, right? So that is what? Thermosphere, right? Now here, because of the satellite, of course that area is the upper area, right? So because of that, the satellite broadcast, radio broadcast and everything is possible, right? So here there are different layer of environment. One is what? Troposphere. After that, and then last, now we will start the main topic, that what is weather and what is climate. You should know this, what is weather, what is climate. You might be thinking that both are same thing. Can you tell me what is the difference between it? Now, weather condition, weather forecast. Have you heard this word?
Yes.
Okay, yes. Can anyone try? Yes, Sarthak.
Around us that the atmosphere.
No. Yes.
If any disaster will come.
No, beta, no.
Weather contains of seasoning atmosphere.
Okay. You are near about. Now, weather. Now, weather means, for example, daily our weather changes.
Yes.
Yes, sometimes, yes, daily because of the wind, right? Daily it changes, right? So it changes what? It changes daily. Yes or no?
Yes.
That is weather condition, right? If today the condition is same, it's not compulsory next day it will remain same. It can change. Yes, right? So that is weather. Now if we talk about climate, climate is a average condition of temperature, right, more than 35 years. For example, our climatic condition remains same, right? It changes, but it changes according to season. Now the seasons are fixed. Yes or no?
Yes.
No doubt, because of global warming there is a problem in our condition, our climatic condition, but it remains same, right? Every time in November, December the winter season will be there. Yes or no? Monsoon season will be in the fixed time. Summer season will be in fixed time. We know the month, the duration. That duration is goes for long period of time, right? That is known as climate, and that changes daily. Depends on the temperature, depends on the wind, depends on the humidity. That is weather. Clear? What is weather and climate? So this is what weather and climate. On the heat, yes or no?
Yes.
Surface of the heat. That is what? Temperature. Now it depends on the weather condition. It depends. Now temperature will not always remain the same. It depends on the direction of wind. Yes or no? It never remains the same. It changes. Depends on the humidity, depends on the condition, and depends on the season. Okay. Now next is atmospheric pressure. What is atmospheric pressure? The layer of air around atmosphere pressure. Now we have learned about different layer of the earth, right? So here if it is if earth is there, here one level will be there, then above it one level will be there, above it one level, and lastly one level, right? So this is known as atmospheric pressure. That is the layer of the earth. Okay, different layers of the earth is known as atmospheric pressure. Now wind in our surrounding, wind in our air, wind is present, right? And sometimes because of wind the season used to change. Because of the direction of wind the season used to change, right? So there are three types of wind: permanent wind, seasonal wind, and daily or which wind? Daily or local wind, right? Now here permanent wind. Permanent wind means permanently, if wind blows in a certain direction permanently, in a certain direction, right? That is permanent wind. For example, if you go to the coastal region, for example, if you go to the coastal region, then wind blows permanently because it's a coastal area, right? So that is what, which wind? Permanent wind. Now seasonal wind, it depends or it changes according to season, right? If season changes, the direction of wind will change, and wind will change the direction, right? So that is what season, that changes according to season, right? So that is seasonal wind. Now daily wind. Daily wind means short time wind that occurs for short period of time. Sometimes in summer season there is loo. Loo means garam hawa, right? Garam hawa, right? So that is called loo. And sheet lahar, it means cold waves. These are known as daily wind that depends on the temperature, right? It can come in any season, right? So that is what short time, it stays for a short period of time, right? So that is what daily wind or local wind. Permanent winds are for permanent time, right? Permanent, right? Seasonal depends on according to season. What about daily? Right, for a short time. So these are the three winds. Now this climatic changes, right, have effect on human life, yes or no? Even it changes the food habit, even it changes the dressing code, and even, for example, now it was continuously raining. We love rain, yes or no? We love rain. But if it is continuously raining, we feel tired of that season, right? What we feel that now we want to see the sun rising, or we want to go outside, or we want to play outside. We feel, right? Right? So when the season changes, we have different enthusiasm in people. People are having different enthusiasm. For example, in winter season, and even the clothing is changes. For example, in winter season, people use sweaters, and people use mufflers and other clothes. While in summer season, people will not wear that. People will wear cotton clothes, while in rainy season people will raincoats and umbrellas, right? So in this way, even if we talk about food habit, if we talk about winter season, in winter season we will get lot of vegetables, fresh vegetables, compared to rainy season, and we can say that summer season, right? So food habit also changes. In winter season we can get lot of green leafy vegetables, right? Yes, right. So that is why it changes the life of people. It affects the life of people. Can you people tell me how it, in other way, it affects the life of people? Can any one student tell me?
Sleeping time changes.
Okay, our daily things changes. Then
In winter we feel so much lazy.
okay, in winter you feel lazy. Why you feel lazy?
No, it is so exciting.
Okay. I will tell you. The climate is closely observed on food, clothing, and our daily activity dwelling, right? Now in more rain-fed region, the roof of houses are steeply sloping, while less rain-fed region, houses are of low slope. Now if you see, if you have seen somewhere in the pictures in the Kerala house, Kerala, right? Kerala is a we can say it is surrounded by water, right? So and it's rains heavily there, right? As it's a we can say that it's surrounded by water, right? So the area, the houses there are made up of roof. Now in our place, you can see big buildings. You cannot see the roof houses. Why? Because here it's not required, right? So it depends. This is because of what? Because of climatic change, right? Now other point we can say that the crops that are grown in the region are mostly taken in the diet of the people of the same region. For example, I'll tell you the example. Don't see the textbook because it's not given. They have not given properly. For example, as I told you, Kerala, the main seafood they will have seafood, right? Fish and whatever, right? So sometimes it depends. The food habit depends on our climatic changes, right? It depends on our food habit. Depends on the climatic changes, right? Now, so these are the different effects that we feel. We as a human being we feel when climate changes. And as I told you that it brings joy and enthusiasm. What it brings? Joy and enthusiasm. Okay? What beta?
What is meaning of enthusiasm?
Excitement. Right? So in this way it affects you adversely, good in a good way also, and sometimes it affects adversely also. Right? It affects adversely. Can you tell me how it affects adversely? Opposite, खराब तरीके से. Can anyone tell me? Yes.
If it going continuously, that is only we feel lazy and we think that
Yes, we feel dull. For example, if it is continuously raining, what can occur? Flood. Yes or no?
Yes.
Next.
We can't get the required vegetable or fruits.
Right. We cannot get proper food or materials that we need.